Hi, my name is Evan Davis. I'm a product engineer at SAM Medical, and my job is to ensure that when someone finds themselves in a critical situation and they reach for a SAM Medical product, they're reaching for a device that won't let them down. Most of what we do as a product engineering team fits into two simple steps. We build things, and then we break them, with a lot of paperwork in between. A lot of what we build directly supports the manufacturing and quality teams here at SAM. This includes things like process and inspection aids, machine fixtures, and custom tooling to help with automation. Everything we do has a single common goal: build consistent, high-quality devices that exceed the needs of our customers. Engineered for survival is more than a tagline here at SAM, it's a mindset. A big part of our job is anticipating product failures, or, said differently, thinking of every what could go wrong scenario before our products reach first responders in the field. We then take these challenge scenarios and design for reliability through deliberate destruction, aka breaking stuff for science. Just as a structural engineer needs to know under what load their bridge fails, or an automotive engineer needs to understand what happens when their car crashes, we test our devices at extremes beyond what they would ever see in actual use. Every failure we find in this lab is a failure we prevent in the field, and every failure we prevent in the field ensures responders can focus on the patient, not the equipment. Let's go behind the scenes and walk through one of these testing scenarios. Here, we're testing a targeted compression device, or TCD, which is part of our SAM junctional tourniquet. The TCD is designed to quickly inflate via a removable hand pump to control bleeding in inguinal or axilla areas. We don't just use the provided hand pump and call it a day. We inflate the TCD to the pressure of a car tire. This type of extreme testing allows us to establish a safety factor for actual applications. In doing so, we can be sure whether at sea level or high altitude, the SJT will perform when the patient needs it most. Thanks for joining me in this SAM60. If you have any topics you'd like to learn about, contact us at SAM60@sammedical.com.